Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the construction industry, ensuring the stability and safety of structures. One of the prominent providers of geotechnical services in Chattarpur is Scon Design, based in Delhi. Scon Design is a leading engineering consulting firm that specializes in offering geotechnical services to clients in the Chattarpur area. With their expertise and experience, they assist clients in evaluating soil conditions, analyzing site characteristics, and providing recommendations for foundation design and construction. When it comes to geotechnical services in Chattarpur, Scon Design is known for its professionalism and commitment to delivering high-quality solutions. They understand the importance of conducting thorough geotechnical investigations, as it forms the basis for any successful construction project. Scon Design employs a team of experienced geotechnical engineers who are well-versed in the latest techniques and technologies. They utilize advanced equipment and software to gather accurate data and analyze soil properties, ensuring precise and reliable results. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services provided by Scon Design is site investigation. This involves conducting detailed surveys and assessments to gather information about the soil composition, groundwater levels, slope stability, and other relevant factors. By understanding the site's geotechnical characteristics, Scon Design can identify potential risks or challenges that may affect the stability and performance of the structure. This information is crucial for designing appropriate foundations and implementing suitable mitigation measures. Their team of experts collaborates closely with architects, structural engineers, and other professionals involved in the project to ensure seamless integration of geotechnical considerations into the overall design process. Geotechnical services in Chattarpur are crucial for any construction project in the area. The geotechnical services provided in Chattarpur play a vital role in determining the feasibility and safety of construction projects. These services involve studying the soil and rock properties of the area to assess their suitability for various types of construction, such as buildings, roads, and bridges. The geotechnical engineers in Chattarpur conduct detailed site investigations, collect soil samples, and perform laboratory tests to analyze the soil's physical and mechanical properties. This information is then used to design foundations and earthworks that can withstand the expected loads and ground conditions. Scon Design is a prominent geotechnical consulting firm in Delhi that offers a wide range of geotechnical services in Chattarpur. With years of experience in the field, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted name in geotechnical engineering. They have a team of highly skilled and knowledgeable geotechnical engineers who are well-versed in the latest techniques and technologies used in the industry. The geotechnical services provided by Scon Design in Chattarpur cover a wide range of areas. They offer site investigations, which include drilling boreholes, conducting field tests,